What? The world, it's not a plan. You hear me, man? Hey, franchise the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know a full effect thing. You hear me, man? You know it go already, you know. When I aim up, load up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing, them. What? You know a loud explosion are the most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. What? So hear me, man. Yo, you see how the thing about out? Eh? You see how the thing about out? You see where loud explosion cause? Eh? You see where loud explosion cause? Eh? You not hear the Prime Minister come out and say, well then, him want dismantle the gang and the murderer them from the police force. This is where I deal with and the corrupt cop them. And dismantle the done them from the police. And the police them turn around and say, a politician too. You hear that? The police them turn around and say a politician too. You see what I deal with? So, when you hear man a sound the big thing them, you know, me no want a boy feel like say a lollipop thing, you know. Because you see you Kevin, let me tell you something, you know. Let me tell you something, big belly boy Kevin. Let me tell you something, you know. It's not Vibes Cartel nor Gaza Nation make your belly so big so you can't even hold your dick good for pissing at the toilet bowl. You have to sit down on it like a bitch. You see what I deal with? You need some bumbuckler lamp pile for reduce your big gut where you have in front of you. Yo, you see when time I come and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. Let me tell you something, you know, a lollipop thing, you know. So me know why you run on for my channel, you know, with a look of fucking fool comment, you know. But me did I go on good until me start the Vibes Cartel fuckery, you know. Hey boy, when you continue go get alkaline body wash body boy. And come on from my channel and post up, no comment for my shit. Because I beg you for subscribing and I beg you for come look over here, say, you know. You have too much YouTube journalists, you know, for you stop here, say, you know. You see what I deal with? Because me as a man, I not deal with lollipop thing. I straight get to you. I not deal with joke thing. That way I write up underneath my comment box. If you see me on the road, I may reason with my virgin them about the Vibes Cartel matter and the police them there. And you come there, you know, with them lollipop thing there, you know. Believe me, you know, you have to get a beat down, you know, dog. A physical beat down, you know, and a lollipop thing, you know. You see me? I know why you think 10-star a joke thing, you know, you. Because when Vibes Cartel come out, you know, and I tell the whole Jamaica, you know, for all kind of interview, you know, the pressure where I get from the police, them, you know. You see what I deal with? Nobody never want to listen to him, you know. Nobody not listen to him, you know, and stand up and watch them prosecute the man, you know. And when man I sound the big thing, you run up in my comment box with your fuck, you know. But I think it's a 10-star lollipop youth, you know. Because I not deal with lollipop thing, you know. How long man I tell you, say them police boy are wicked boy. And the politician them. Eh? So when the security minister come out and I talk about him, I go target get up people and the people them who on a proper clothing wear, a man we are wearing pants wear down so what them I go do and what them I do from what them not go do. Yo, Mr. Police Commissioner, hear me now man? What happened to the politician man? Then the Cuban government, you know, did send out this whole heap of this whole shipment of bulb, you know. We come in a Ivan hurricane, you know, after the people them last light and electricity and all of them shit that does because the hurricane come and blow down beer shit, you know. And them send you the bulb, you know, for you issue it out and give the poor people them, you know. And you hide it behind them back and sell it, you know, and make millions, you know. What happened to you, Mr. Commissioner? What happened to that? What happened to that politician, man? Them get sentenced yet? Do you know from when? You know from when Ivan come? You know how long? You know how much years now? All know we not hear nothing about him. Do him get sentenced yet? Eh? Yo, nobody feel like a joke thing when 10 star a deal with the thing now. So yo, me I say, you see all of my YouTube journalists, let me tell you something, the thing I reach, you know. The thing I reach out there, you know. Cause you hear boy, you come out and I put blame upon them one another right now, you know. So you so hear arguments start bust out, you know. All we need for do, you know, press them harder, you know. All we need for the people are press them harder. If you don't have evidence or nothing, but them wanna drive them forward. I wanna make una favorite rascal YouTube journalists push it out on them channel and load them up. Them so start spill them guts upon them one another. Them so start inform upon them one another. You never hear so when fire there, most them think a cool breeze. They think a lollipop thing. Yo. Hey boy Kevin, you're lucky, you know. Let me see you back on 10 Star TV, you know. You hear me? Me no want to see you because you're pum sheriff, you know. And that's why you take on to body wash, you know. Because your belly big, you can't see your dick when you're piss, you know. You can't even hold it properly if you get your piss down in the ball, you know. You sit down on toilet seat like a bitch, you know. So when you hear me representing, you know, I don't want you to run over here and think a lollipop thing, you know. Because Gaza, I build my challenge off, my channel off, you know. I'm a straight Gaza representative, you know. You hear that? I want you to know that straight. So I not deal with lollipop thing. And I want you to know, say, just because Vibes Cartel they're behind the bars and I see a whole heap of corruption in it. That's why you have 10 Star TV. Don't bother believe in nothing more. Don't bother believe in no likes, no views, no money. Me no want you think like that. The 10 Star one, alright. Me good. You hear me? Me look shaky. I want me to hear lollipop youth. But them thing they go on, you know. Why you see all of them shit here go on in the country, you know. Or what? Because it not reach a your doorstep yet. Let me tell you something, you know. Just find some lollipop channel if you go up and you know, go lick up in a boy. And run over 10 Star TV with the lollipop thing, you know. Cause loud explosion me drop, you know. More if you know that, you know, when me sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment and a lollipop thing, you know, youth. So when you hear me discuss, you know, about crooked, you know, cop, you know, and dirty politician, you know, me no want you feel like a joke thing, you know, youth. Youth, let me tell you something, you know. The biggest clinic, you know, in Jamaica, you know, was comprehensive clinic, you know, where they on Sly Pen Road, you know, youth. Ask anybody, you know, that was the biggest clinic in the whole Caribbean. You hear that? And when the man them burn down Boat Villa and Edward Siago win election, him bulldozer down the place and build up Tarrington Park and move all the people them from Boat Villa, come over Tarrington Park and them call it site. So me no want you feel like a joke thing. Yo, when them a burn down poorhouse, you know, same evening time, you know, I saw the place name evening time, you know. Over there so yellow man come from, you know, because he was an offering youth, you know. Me tell you something, when them have burn down poorhouse, me hear when the people them head a bus as a juvenile, in the fire, all of the sick people them and the people them were burn up in them. Me hear when the people them head bus, a bus and them shit, the politician do them shit there in a youth. You don't know nothing about what I talk about, you know. When 10 Star deal with them thing and a lollipop thing, you know, a serious thing I deal with, you know, youth. So nobody come on for my thing with a joke shit, you know, that. Come in a deal with joke thing, you know, youth. I say me a juvenile, I'm here when the people them head bus like fuckery in the fire over there. So the whole of evening time burn down flat. A politician do them shit there. Yo. I don't want to feel like a joke thing, you know. Yo, big up Mr. Lonesome, you know. I love how the fire burn, you know. Big up Soul Flow TV. I love how the fire burn, you hear me? Big up Lyde Williams, a.k.a. Video Link Jamaica. I love how you burn the fire, you hear me, youth? And let me tell you something, the thing so explode big. Them are inform upon them one another. We're going to press it more harder. And the people them who know the truth and right and know where them boy are go out with, and send the man them equipment. Make the man them sound the big thing them. We are catch on. Me say, the Prime Minister come out and say, he might go scrap the done them from the police force. And the policeman them ball out and say the politician too. So what more than that you no want hear? You never hear Vibes Cartel come out and a ball. I say right now I'm fear for him life. Because to him not suck up to the police and what them want him to do. Them a pressure the man. Every stage show the man go, them a go lock it off. The man in the club, them a go lock it off and antagonize the crowd and the people them who are follow the man. You know what I mean? And be a threat and all kind of thing. All the man come out and a complain. Nobody never take it up in hand. Nobody not take it up in hand. Nobody not go investigate them shit there. Nobody from the government force. Nobody from the fucking from the minister them. Nobody at all. Not investigate them till them come with them look of fucker. You know, see a fucker them bring in front of the court. Eh? Now shall be a tamper evidence them have in front of the court. What? Just because of Vibes Cartel I don't have self-hate against the man. Yo, I'm not responsible about that. You hear me? Because most of you chat, if you see Cartel personally, you can't open me your mouth about that. So I don't want you run over my channel and I come and open up your mouth over here, sir. Now open up your mouth over here, sir. You see me? You need to go take some lamb pile and see if you can reduce your big gut where you have in front of you. Because you know the general not deal with lollipop thing, you know a 10-star way I'm rolling. You know. Let me tell you something, you know, yo. The reason why you hear me go like this, you know, and I don't likes, you know, yo. And I don't know money thing, you know, dog. I'm serious with what I do, you know, dog. I don't know joke thing, you know. I want me to, you know. Eh? How long you think the people them shall be an example? How long shall them use the people them as a bumbuckler example? And I'm going to poor class of people who no want use. You think it easy? You think it easy for no youth in the ghetto? Eh? You don't think a lollipop thing so somehow you no home and dry and feel like you no good? Yo, but me tell you something, you know, then start to deal with joke thing. So when man a sound the big thing, the man a drop necessary equipment, me no want a boy. I come and run up in my comment box and feel like say, as some farmer gimmicks thing me a work off of. Me no work, me not deal with gimmicks. You hear that? Me say, the Prime Minister come out last night and say I go scrap the done them from the police force and the policeman them ball out and say all the politician them too. Because of them work for. The police boy them work for the politician them. You see what I deal with? So no lollipop thing. And people are catch on them. See them chase down vehicle where fire shot pan people, and when the man them chase down vehicle, who a drive? Police. Illegal gun in it. A circle of people for kill them. You see what I deal with? And them thing they are going in the country. So all of them drive by murder around here, and them ride by murder there, and them walk by murder there. A bumbuckler police. You see what I deal with? And a lollipop thing. You don't know the general 10-star one. And when I drop necessary equipment, you don't know my thing already. A loud explosion. What? 10-star way. Watch.